What if one motorcycle could turn every fuel stop into a conversation? The 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is back, and it proves that classic chopper style never goes out of fashion. With its long front end, low seat, and stretched out design, this bike is built to stand out. But is it only about looks, or does it also deliver a great riding experience? Let's find out. Bold chopper design. The 2026 Honda Fury keeps its signature custom look that makes it different from almost every cruiser on the road. The long rake, slim frame, and clean bodywork give it a true old-school chopper appearance straight from the factory. Honda has also focused on quality finishes, making the chrome and paint look premium from every angle. Engine and performance power comes from Honda's trusted 1312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. It delivers smooth low-end torque, making the Fury easy to ride in city traffic and enjoyable on open highways. The 5-speed transmission shifts smoothly, while the shaft drive keeps maintenance simple and reliable. Instead of chasing high horsepower numbers, the Fury is built for relaxed cruising with strong, confident acceleration. Comfort and ride quality. The low seat height gives riders excellent confidence at stops, while the stretched riding position creates a classic cruiser feel. The suspension is tuned for comfortable highway rides, and the bike remains stable even at higher speeds. Although tight corners require a little extra attention because of the long wheelbase, the overall ride is smooth, predictable, and enjoyable. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Fury is not for riders looking for a sport bike. It is for people who want timeless chopper styling, dependable Honda reliability, and a motorcycle that attracts attention wherever it goes. If standing out is your priority, the Fury continues to be one of the best factory-built choppers available today. This video is based on currently available information, industry updates, and Honda's previous model lineup. Final specifications, features, colors, pricing, and availability may vary depending on your country when Honda officially releases the 2026 Honda Fury.